G'day guys, it's Trevor James here from James Saddlery, just for the new item. These are hobble straps, but these are a quick release hobble strap. Instead of a buckle, you can see the stainless steel fitting there. It simply slips out of the holder there and it can be undone really quickly if you're out in the paddock or anything like that. Pretty unique little item. These are made of a plastic type material, PVC. We make them out of leather, just $40 a set for the quick release hobble straps. Available from James Saddlery, Paisley Drive, Lawnton. Call Trevor 0428 77 1448. Email is jamessaddleryoz@gmail.com. Thanks for watching, guys.